Benjamin. Hey. Hey, buddy. Ben. Ben. Hey. Let's get up. You fell asleep on the floor. Hey, let's do something to eat. Come on. Get up. Here, take my hand and help pull you up. Come here. Dude. Benjamin. Come on. Let's get up. Did you fall asleep on the floor?
Oh, sweet.
I know you're asleep, but it ain't time to go to sleep. Let's go in the kitchen. Okay. Where you going? You gotta go bathroom? Huh? Let's go to the table. Where you going? Huh? Make some chicken bites. Chicken bites. What are you sitting down for? You going back to sleep? Huh?